Hello guys, and welcome to this Volks Wizard video. Now I'm in a very fortunate position today because I've got access to two different Golf GTI TCRs, but the big difference between them is that one of them has got the standard exhaust system, the red one. The grey one is a brand new addition to the press fleet with the Akrapovic exhaust system fitted as standard. It puts the price up quite a lot, but the big question is it worth it? Well, I've got a bit of time here at this Volkswagen Drive Day near Banbury to find out. So we're going to do three tests. We're going to do a static revving test, we're going to do a drive-by test of the exhaust, and we're going to do a driving test. So when you're driving along the road and we've got the mic attached to the back of the car, see what it sounds like. So without any further ado, let's get testing the exhaust on these two Golf GTI TCRs.